Hi, Nat here at Shoes of Hollywood again for another shoe review. We have another pair. These ones are a Delight this time, and they're a DELIGHT-657 with black elastic and a shiny back. So we'll see what they are, hey? So these are a brand new designer shoe that have just come out as well. And if they look a bit familiar, I will show you why soon. But they're very pretty. These are a 6-inch heel. Very cool. Let's put them on. Nearly there. Cool. So that's one of them on. There we go. So the elastic is, the width of it does like sort of change the length. As you can see, there's these little slits where it goes through, and there's another one on the back. So if it's too tight here, you can loosen it, or you can tighten it at your ankle to make sure it's fitting more personalized for your foot. They're just so graceful to put on. There we go. Alrighty. Make sure it's all fitting nicely. Cool. So that's those ones on. So this front bit, so that's all the elastic, and then the shiny black is on the back, around near the heel and the platform. So these are really pretty. I really like these ones a lot because they're simple designed and they're quite elegant. They're very, very comfortable. I don't think I've come across a single pleaser shoe, especially the platforms, that are not comfortable for your foot. It kind of just feels like you're standing in slippers. I think they're very pretty. And I like that they're different because of the elastic. There's no zips or little buckles or anything like that. It's just elastic, and that's really unique and it's really pretty. It's cool. So if you come over here, so this is our Strathpine store. So if you're ever in the area, please come on in and see, and you will find that we did a review on these shoes, which are also a Delight, I believe. But these ones have a zip up the back, so you can tell the difference. These ones have an enclosed heel as well, which I really, really like. But if you're into the elastics, if you find that you really like them on one shoe, chances are you're going to like them on all the other shoes as well. So we have these ones, and we also have another pair down here, which I think has been on a review also. So if you're liking them, you can grab the whole collection. These are really lovely. They're very comfortable. There's no pinching. There's nothing. So please tell us what you like of these shoes. Tell us if you like these more than the red ones that were done or any of the other heels. And leave a comment on your favourite or your favourite colour even. They're very sturdy. They all have a really strong grip on the bottom of the shoes, so that you don't need to be nervous if you're walking on cement or if you're walking on tile, or it doesn't matter what you're walking on, you'll be safe. Don't need to worry about falling. These shoes you can dress up or you can dress down. If you wear them with a pair of jeans, they could be quite casual, but if you wear them with a dress like I am, you can find that they're quite fancy, I suppose. They match any occasion. They're really pretty. You can see in the sunlight that the elastic almost has a slight shimmer to it as well, which is really fun. So that was the DELIGHT-657. They're very comfortable. They're very sturdy on your foot as well. You feel very secure and safe. And that's those shoes. If you like them, please let us know. Also hit the notification bell so you can see all of our latest reviews, and subscribe as well. We'll see you next time.